Assalamu alaikum, class 1, day 16. Open your grammar book. Lesson number 6, the last lesson of our first and second assessment. Page number 19. Write date, CW and day. Noun. Noun is the name of person, place or thing. Person, place, thing or animal. So in this lesson we describe animal. Names of animals are nouns. Cat, dog, pig, owl, lion, butterfly, fish are all names of different animals. Let us understand this section. Write the names of animals you see. Okay. First letter is hint for us. So look at the first picture. What is this? A lion. So L is written for you. Write ION. Second picture, duck. D is written for you. Write UCK. DUCK, duck. Camel. Write AMEL because C is written for you. Okay. Tiger. 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 Okay. Animals and their young ones. A baby dog is called a puppy. A baby cat is called a kitten. Learn about the young ones of the animals. Animals and their young ones. And young ones mean their baby's name. Okay. People, places and things have names. Animals too have names. Animals also have names. Okay. Lion, the baby lion we call cub. Sheep, the baby sheep is lamb. We call them lamb. Horse, foal. Goat, kid. Cow, calf. Okay. Learn them and do the next page, page number 20. Look at the picture below. Which animal can you see? Write their names in your notebook. This is your HW on English B. Write animal names in your notebook. Write lesson number, topic, nouns, and then do this exercise. Write practice, mention page number, and write animal names. After that, the list below are sets of animals. Read the names and find the one which is not part of the set. Write the answer in your notebook, but we are not writing in the notebook. Write your answer on the book. Okay. Fan, sparrow, crow, parrot, eagle. Eagle, sparrow, parrot and crow. These are belonging from birds family. But fan is a bird? No. Put tick because this is the odd one. Okay. Dog, cat, mouse, farmer, cockroach. Cockroach, mouse, cat, dog, these are family. The farmer is not belonging to their family. Put tick on the farmer. This is the odd one. Fish, crocodile, shark, octopus. These are belonging to sea family. But fisherman is odd one. Then put tick on it. Spider, ant, mosquito, fly. These are belonging from insects family. But what is this? Nurse. Nurse is the odd one.